Hey there, everyone. Welcome to the very first video on Coding by Jaan, and I'm thrilled to have you here. If you are passionate about coding and love solving problems, you are in the right place. On this channel, we are all about diving deep into coding challenges and finding elegant solutions together. We will tackle problems from different domains, explore algorithms, and learn best practices to enhance your coding skills. My goal is to make coding fun, approachable, and most importantly, understandable. Thanks for tuning in, and I can't wait to start our coding journey with you. Let's dive into our first problem and get coding. Here I have taken a problem on LeetCode. It is based on the topic arrays. Here, given an array of integers nums and an integer target. What he is telling is return indices of two numbers such that they add up to a target. For example, let us take some of the test cases. That is example 1, example 2 and example 3. Here he has given input nums, that is array. In that there are 4 elements 2, 7, 11, 15. He also given a target is equal to 9. What he is telling is if we add any two elements of an array, if it is equal to the target value, then you should return that indices of that element. So, for example here, 2 plus 7 is equal to target value, that is 9. So, the output given is 0, 1. He also provided some explanation which can be used in the further code. And second example is, he has given 3 elements in an array and target is equal to 6. If we add first 0th index and first index element, 3 plus 2, that is 5, that is not equal to target. So, we move our pointer to the next index, that is 1, 2. If we add this first index and second index element, that is 2, 4, that is 2 plus 4 is equal to 6, that is equal to target. So, we return indices 1, 2. Similarly, the third case is also solved in same way. Let us dive into the coding part. Here I am using Python. First we have to find the length of the array. Here length function is used to find out the length of an array. Now we have to traverse from element 0th element to the n-1th element. So I am using for loop for I in range 0, n. Here 0, 1 n means it will traverse from 0th element to the n-1th element. For accessing the second element in second index, we use for j in range I plus 1 to n. Here we are using the second index to up to n-1 elements. What is said, if we use this thing, we can easily get the code. Nums array of I plus nums, that is array of j is equal to is given target. What is said, if the ith index of nums and jth index of num, if we add both 2, that is equal to target, then we should return I, j. Else, if it is not found, then we should return nothing. Let us run this. You can check all the test cases. Just submit. Thank you everyone for watching this video. If you like the content, do subscribe and share to the other friends. Let me come up with a new problem in the next video. Till then, bye. Take care. Thank you.